In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple low impact exercise known as 3D stepping. So we're going to be focusing on different planes of motion in this. It's low impact, so it's suitable for those that want to do low impact exercises and not high impact. It can be done as a cardiovascular exercise, or alternatively, it can be done as part of a rehabilitation program. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a standing leg and a leg that you're going to do your repetitions on. So my standing leg is going to be my left leg, and I'm going to have it completely facing forwards, and then my right leg is going to go forwards and back and forwards, side to side, transverse and back to neutral position. So let me show you what that looks like, and we're going to do it 2 times over. So forwards, back, forwards, side to side, transverse, neutral. So you can see how somebody, if they was going to do this quite fast, actually it would be a quite good cardiovascular exercise as well if they was going to do it as in that kind of speed. Whatever you do on one side, repeat exactly the same on the other side for your amount of desired sets and reps. And that's how to do 3D stepping.